today it's Bright Long Wolf Gamer. Yeah, so let's get going. Playing Flood Escape, and today is gonna be the last day. You're gonna pop them Bibles. Okay, this is gonna take a little while for everyone to come back with the game. So let me just pause it here, guys. Okay. Okay, everyone left, and now we're going to easy. I got 7 wins, as you can see. Ha. Such a dunk smash down. Let's, hi, Bacon. Ooh, you look so cool. Oh, yeah, boy. Okay, let's keep on going. Go. Mommy told me this was bad. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my jeepers. We gotta go. Get it. Oh my gosh. People, move your booty. Please, move your booty. Sounds cool. Whee. It's not, I'm very bad at this level, so don't judge. Looks like I'm not bad anymore. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hope you have a wonderful life being dead. Let's go, guys. Don't mind her. Go be dead. Jesus. Oh, I do love Jesus. I love him very much. Anyway, where are we supposed to go? What the? Where are we supposed to? What in the world? What are we supposed to do? Oh! I just used someone as a jackpot! Oh yeah, boy! Oh yeah! I got famous and rich. You gotta. Ouch! Let's go! Literally right! Oh my gosh! Okay, you guys go upstairs. I check down here. Okay, go. Touch it. You're going back. Up. You go there. Good. Let's see if there's any more left. Nope. Okay, let's go. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Come on. As you guys do this, I'm gonna friend people. Friending you. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh, by water. Miss you. Oh! Aw, too bad. I'm so sad. You guys need us. You know that, right? You guys need us. You need us. Don't do it. You need us. No! Oh, gosh. No! Oh. I hate this. Very uncool. Please. Things are uncool when it's you. When it's me, it's always a pain. Ooh, okay. Wait. I don't know what the coins stand for, but you know, extras, a dash, firm dash. Okay. I'm done with shop. Where is my dashy? There's my dash. Could I even use it now? First of all, am I even dashing? I'm not dashing. How am I? How? No, no. Guys, I'm gonna like. Oh, hey guys, just for you to see, I could dash now. Look, wait. What? I'm dashing. Do you see how fast I am? We're ready to go. Now what will be more interesting? Speed. Hey, I like it. Ah! Why? I hate this. Come on, speed. Oh my gosh, I did have speed, but I didn't really. When I need my keys, it's really me. Fresh what? Fresh what in the what now? Fresh what? Fresh what? I mean, hola amigos, mi brother's friend. Dude, hey dude, what I said about getting my violaga. Just kidding, that was me. I'm very bad at Spanish. If you want to. Oh, she can't get in. Oh, and you're the one that was in You're the one that was in before. Oh, you can't get in. Yeah. Here's my booty. If you could see it. Hey. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. 5, 3, 2, 1. Boom. See? I'm the creator. No lie, guys. No lie. Wait, what? Oh, is that? You spammed that. Oh my gosh. Something is shaking very bad. Oh! Oh my goodness. I am lucky. Stop it, Speed. No! Speed, how dare you? I just glitched. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What the no? My speed barely works. I don't get it, but my speed barely even works. Oh, guys, some information. Guys, once you do flight escape, make sure you're in first person. It's more better. Get off of me. Get off of me. What? No one likes you when your booty is up in the air. Just like you don't care. Don't care. When, oh my gosh, it's these guys. But with another person. When your booty's in the air. Like you just don't care. Just don't care. You say that you like your booty to be in the air. Just like you just don't care. Every day, Let's just get going. Basala. Wait, what? What the? What in the? First of all, where's the water rising from? Second of all, I don't get it. I don't get it. Is someone hacking? I don't. You know what? Questions later. I think someone's hacking. Wait, but I don't really know where the water is coming up from. So that's very rude because I don't know where the water is coming up from. And another bad news, because since I don't know where the water is coming up from, another thing, I won't, you know, how should I say this? Oh yeah, I will always like, you know, lose because since I don't know where the water is coming up from, I will always lose, and just because I think the water is like all the way up there and I don't have, you know, like any problem of, you know. I already know that I think the water is already rising up to those blue staircases or something. I don't know. Oh, this is so confusing. Oh, access. I have access to everything. I think the water is rising already. Definitely. Thank you. Finally made it. No! Oh my goodness! I hate this. Got reset because, like, something is kind of shaking inside my phone. I don't know what. Well, this is gonna be our last flood escape. If I can't make this, I promise to all of you, leave in the descriptions below if you want me to do more flood escape. Because, you know, I actually hate when I always lose. Oh, man, I hate it. I hate it. I just hate it. It really doesn't suit me. I hate it. Please, someone help me. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hey, let's just keep on going. Keep on going. Okay. You know what? The countdown is keep on being slow. And since there's no reason to, you know, pause it right here, I'll just go with the flow. Get ready. In 3, 2, kaboom! See? 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 See what I did there? Finally, there's no water. I finally know it. Excuse me. Last time I was in this map. I mean, not in this map. Something else. Wait, are we on easy? Because the water is rising up like crazy. So fast. What the heck? I never even pressed my speed. I should always keep aware my speed is open or not. Can't wake up. Wake me up as I can't wake up. Wake me up and... Let's go. I'm going down inside my timbers. This level is so hard. I don't know whoever created this, but whoever created this, I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you. Can't wake up. Wake me up as I can't wake up. Wake me up as I say me. Oh snap! Someone used me as a boost. How dare you? Only I could use a person as a beast. Oh my gosh. I don't get it. Guys, before I start crying, I have to go. Bye. Bye.